It's allergy season.
Bitter rivals. We're going to see that all night long, Mitch.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Backfield emotion, yeah. Gonna have to dinner like you.
Where's Hayden? I don't know.
Backfield emotion, baby. You know that's against the rules.
Shut the fuck up. That's fucked up. I'm just not gonna stop doing it. God bless you.
Offside and holding, yeah. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, baby.
Stop number 13 and expect her to spy 13 most of the night.
It's allergy season. And I can't stop sneezing. And I need a Zyrtec. I need a Claritin. I need a Benadryl, cause I be sneezing.
And I come to it, backfield emotion, yeah.
These Chicago players know how to drink. This is during the game. She's at midfield right now, chugging a beer and throwing it back in the crowd. Wow.
My allergies literally get so bad if I'm away from this house for more than 24 hours and I come back. Like, it's so annoying.
Oh shit, here we go.
I was too blind to see.
Oh my god, here we go.
You know I love you so. Fall down, baby, I got to let you go. Backfield emotion, yeah. You know that's against the rules.
Get ready with me while I have a seasonal allergy attack. Having these things in my nose does indeed help. I don't know why, but it just for some reason like makes me breathe through my mouth, and so it has less irritation to my nose or something like that. But yeah, I have had seasonal allergies my whole life and I'm getting shots for them now, so they're getting a little bit better. But today was one of my bad attacks days where I sneezed just a million times. Like from the moment I wake up, I can feel it in my nose that I'm gonna have a bad allergy day. I don't know what it is, but was going to a little family dinner, so I put some makeup on just to feel a little bit better because my acne be bussin' recently. Tried to take these nose things out, but my nose immediately reacted poorly, and I had to put them back in just a second. But there's nothing worse than going to a dinner and like sneezing 45 times because you're like sneezing food and it's disgusting and I hate it, but at least I was just with my family. I took them out for a little bit and then I put them back in, and here's me laying on the couch after I have had 3 Benadryls today and still sneezing constantly.
Look, I don't know about none of the other allergy sufferers, but bro, this spring has been whooping my okay. Like, it literally got me Googling, is it possible to get a nose transplant or a sinus transplant? Like, I want to feel normal, because by this time my eyes is itching, my nose is itching, I keep sneezing, eyes is watering, puffy. Like, I want to feel normal, bro. Like, come on. Oh my god. Spring, man. Fucking bitch.
Okay. Oh god, I'm gonna sneeze.
I've seen in the LFL.
Let them know who the we are. And if they want to keep with us, God bless me.
Feel emotion, yeah. I'm gonna have to feel like you. Back feel emotion, baby. You know what's against the rule.
And the tag wearing out
Emotion.
Oh my God.
I'm sad, back feel emotion. Double chin, baby. Back feel emotion.
nothing. Nancy gets the ball to Harris, and Brace goes head-to-head with her again.
And as we return, Chicago holding on to a 7-6 lead, but it's been a frustrating season. We discussed that with Heather Furr.
After last game, I was definitely frustrated with my own performance as well as that of our entire team. I mean, we fumbled the ball way too much, I had a turnover, and that's very unlike us as the Chicago Bliss reigning champs. So coming out tonight against Vegas, you know, we just have to get our act together, stay focused, and go out there and win.
I said, I'm a wide receiver.
Drive up the square.
again. That was a great sneeze, too. I can try petting her some more. I sneeze. I don't know why I sneezed. I don't have any idea. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. You know, if I rubbed my nose in it, I'd sneeze, but then I'd be miserable all day. Alright, well, I don't, it's not, it's just making my eyes water.
It's you! It's you!
Let me sneeze again. Let's get your stuff going so it'll make me sneeze. You usually will make me sneeze, huh? Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Why are you chewing on that? Phootball? I got a twinge. I'm like, got a twinge. It's coming. I wonder if I use my nose spray, it would make me sneeze. Oh. She laid on my Q-tip before I try that one. I got a twinge. I'm thinking maybe I can make it happen now. I can. Oops. Place on the tissue. No. Let me do my nose spray and then I will. I'll have to pull my nose that way. You get me pictures.
Stick your nose on the cat.
Okay, I'm trying to spike you once I can sneeze though. I'll sneeze 10,000 times. I gotta blow my nose. I can't wait. Oh. Hold on. Oh man. It's just running like a sieve now. Well, why don't you bring your camera? Let's go do some cleaning.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Hey,